Hello Fred, it's a wrap here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 BMW R200R. It has just 3,900 kilometers on it and price is 15,888 plus HST licensing. This motorcycle was a demo at the BMW, so all the services were done over there. It comes with this nice engine guards. Tires are like new, so the bike is like new, to be honest. The condition wise is in perfect condition. It's a fully loaded, has a heated grips, has a cruise control. It's a GPS ready. It does not come with GPS, but you can just put the GPS on it and use the dial over here as a joystick. That's the cruise control, ABS, traction, all the electronics for the ear. It's a keyless start. You just press the button and you open ignition and start the bike. So the bike is here, it's available. I had the chance last year, we got at the end of the season to ride the motorcycle. It rides just excellent and feels amazing, feels very light, by the way. Comes with this rack, no bags, unfortunately, it does not come with bags. So if you wanna see the bike in person, please come in, take a look. The bike is parked in showroom and is available at the moment. You can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. And I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.